Antibiotics. Antibiotics are generally defined as the chemical substances produced by microorganisms or made synthetically or semi-synthetically, capable of destroying or inhibiting the growth of other microbes, especially bacteria, fungus, etc. Mechanism of action. Antibiotics mainly acts by the following four steps: inhibition of cell wall synthesis, alteration of permeability of cell membrane, inhibition of protein synthesis, and the inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis. Chemotherapeutics are the synthetic chemicals used to destroy or remove the infective agents like bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and helminths without affecting the host tissue. These are active against the malignant cells. Some chemotherapeutic shows antibiotic action, but not all. The source of antibiotics are natural, synthetic, or semi-synthetic, but the chemotherapeutics are usually synthetic drugs. Antibiotics indicated in the bacterial infection, whereas chemotherapeutics indicated in the parasite infection. Antibiotics are active against microbial cells, whereas chemotherapeutics are active against malignant cells. Antibiotics are chemotherapeutics, but some chemotherapeutics are antibiotics, but not all chemotherapeutics are antibiotics. Narrow spectrum antibiotics. Chemotherapeutic agents acting only on a single or a limited group of microorganisms are said to have a narrow spectrum. Extended spectrum. Extended spectrum is a term applied to antibiotics that are effective against gram-positive organisms and also against a significant number of gram-negative bacteria. For example, ampicillin is considered to have an extended spectrum because it acts against gram-positive and some gram-negative bacteria. Broad spectrum. Drugs such as tetracycline and chloramphenicol affect a wide variety of microbial species and are referred to as broad-spectrum antibiotics. Administration of broad-spectrum antibiotics can drastically alter the nature of the normal bacterial flora and can precipitate a superinfection of an organism such as Candida, whose growth is normally kept in check by the presence of other microorganisms. Classification of antibiotics. On the basis of chemical structure, on the basis of type of microorganisms, on the basis of mechanism of action, on the basis of spectrum activity, and on the basis of the type of action. Thank you for your patient listening.